Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're shifting gears to a legendary name in the sport bike world, the 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa. Known for its blistering speed and unmistakable presence, the Hayabusa has long held a revered place in motorcycle history. The 2026 model brings refined power, updated tech, and sharper aesthetics, proving once again why this superbike continues to dominate the conversation. Let's dive into what makes this latest iteration a standout. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa arrives with sleeker, more aerodynamic bodywork, while staying true to its signature silhouette. The front end gets a more aggressive stance, thanks to redesigned LED headlamps and streamlined air intakes. Subtle tweaks across the fairings improve wind flow and visual appeal, while new colorways and bold graphics add a modern edge. The cockpit has also been refined with a cleaner layout and a new full-color TFT display, blending tradition with tech seamlessly. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 Hayabusa lies the same 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, now retuned for smoother throttle response and improved mid-range torque. While peak horsepower remains similar to the previous model, revised engine mapping and updated electronics make the bike feel sharper and more responsive in real-world riding. A revised exhaust system and reduced overall weight contribute to better handling and slightly improved fuel economy. The 6-speed transmission with bidirectional quickshifter ensures seamless gear changes for both road and track. Safety and technology. Suzuki continues to evolve its rider aids with the 2026 Hayabusa. The bike now includes an updated Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SIRS, offering customizable power modes, lean angle sensitive traction control, and advanced ABS. The new TFT display features Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and smartphone integration. Additional features like cruise control and hill hold assist enhance the daily ride, making the Hayabusa not only fast but also smart and comfortable for longer journeys. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa refines an icon with thoughtful upgrades to design, performance, and rider-focused technology. It stays true to its high-speed legacy while adapting to the needs of modern riders. Whether you're carving mountain roads or enjoying highway miles, the new Hayabusa remains a thrilling choice. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more in-depth looks at the machines that move us.